That's what I should have for the phase one. For the 45th time, we're on the ferry here, on the way to Java. Behind me, you can see shredded in the clouds, it's Kawah Ijen, where we're heading to. First, we're gonna stop at the school number 1, see the progress these guys made, hopefully with the renovation. Then on to the second school. Second school, hopefully they have started with renovation as well. There we want to fix the roof. And then we go up into the hills.
Iya. Enggak sedikit. Biasanya banyak.
Mau sebentar lihat aja. Oh, progres di sana. Apa? Sepatu hilang? Mana sepatu?
Kemarin sudah dibongkar, hari ini sudah mulai apa? Tembok-tembok sudah mulai dibongkar. Jadi ditinggalkan pinggir-pinggir.
As we can see, work in progress. There was some building before, and now they're gonna break off all the walls, and they leave some walls and they make a roof, and that's gonna eventually be a prayer room for the kids. So it's good. So things are happening. Very good. Kentang sudah perbaiki.
Apanya?
Kentang.
Gentengnya sudah dari Pak Hen dulu itu semuanya. Kami hemat, bagus kayunya itu loh.
Tapi saya takut ada.
Siapa?
Kemarin saya di sini lihat ada banyak tempat di atas bocor-bocor.
Iya.
I said, okay, langsung bikin rotasi, bikin renovasi. The teachers, they all came to us and said, oh, we need to renovate. So let's make us a quotation and do it. You might want to explain as well, Fabian, that if the need arises that they need to renovate, they can get back to us. We're here to help. Right, that's what we continue to do.
Sana. Enggak, iya ke sana.
Mobil, jangan buka.
Enggak dibuka, Pak.
Apa kabar?
Baik, masih ingat sama saya?
Masih. Sehat.
Alhamdulillah.
Well, once again, we've got a whole truck full of goodies for the porters. We're unloading them. We have 10 trolleys, they're gonna come in a minute. We've got lots of clothes, we've got boots, we've got t-shirts, we've got, once again, nice truck full of help.
Bagio. Terima kasih untuk trolinya, untuk ngangkut belerang, meringankan pekerjaan kami.
Terima kasih trolinya buat kerja untuk tambang belerang.
Terima kasih atas trolinya buat kerja untuk belerang.
Terima kasih.
Well, here we've got. We received a lot of donations for clothes back in Bali. You know, a lot of good people collected them for us, and now we packed them up, 4 or 5 pieces into one little bag, and each of the porter gets one. Makes people happy.
Terima kasih.
Ya, sama-sama Fabian. Mudah-mudahan panjang umur, sehat ya. Bisa ketemu lagi tahun depan. Iya ya.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih Pak.
Ya, sama-sama.
Sampai jumpa. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih banyak. Semua trolinya ini untuk penambang, untuk ngangkut belerang ini. Kalau tidak ada bumbu Bali, susah bikin sendiri ini. Terima kasih banyak atas pemberian troli ini.
Seluruh dunia yang bantu ini.
Iya memang.
Kan bumbu Bali.
Iya, tapi kan kalau tidak ada bumbu Bali kan kita susah.